This is for the member who is having a feminine energy meltdown. My monthly vlog for the membership is still almost 2 weeks out, and I understand this is an emergency. I did get your email, and I'm coaching today. You didn't sign up for a coaching session, but you're still a member, and this is the way we communicate is through the community on Facebook. So I'm going to give you a real fast and dirty way to get out of this ugly, ugly mood and situation that you're in. It's simply a reminder of why you're an advanced leaning back member. It's because you live a leaning back lifestyle as an irresistible woman. And that means so much more than just being at the top of your relationship skills. It's so much more than that. It's your whole life. Remember we were talking about the 7 life areas? And I'm not saying that to say, oh yeah, there should be a balance between your relationship and everything else. No, I understand you're pissed off. You caught him with another woman. I get it. You're miffed. However, one of the key things we come back to is awareness. Are you losing yourself to this situation? What meaning are you giving this? Yes, there are going to be hard times. There are going to be bad times. But just because things go crazy, do you have to go with them? All right? Do you have to lose yourself? Do you have to get out of your feminine practices and go back into your archaic masculine love ways? Masculinity in our lives is fine. That's why I created positive masculine energy. It's me. Remember, this is the alpha woman talking to you. I'm full of masculine energy. I admit it. But I let my feminine guide you. So, what you're going through right now is your feminine is your feminine is being emotional. It doesn't know how to guide your masculine. And so the bottom line is, what do you want? And don't think so far in the future. Think about right now, in this moment. What do you want? I know you told me in your email you want to scratch her eyes out. I get that. That sounds like time in jail. Let's not do that. Get beneath that feeling. Get beneath that want. What do you want? Sounds to me that you want to mourn. You want to mourn the trust that's been broken. You want to mourn the instincts that you ignored. You want to beat yourself up. You want to stay in the negative. We give you 90 seconds to wallow in the negative, okay? And then from there, let's get back to basics. Get yourself out of that mood. Do it as often as you have to. How? Remember your list of things that you enjoy. And even if you can't bring yourself to the stuff you enjoy, take care of yourself. Take time for yourself. If you can't be around people right now, then be on your own, but soothe yourself. And more than that, you know what I'm going to tell you to do? I'm going to tell you to journal. That's what I'm going to tell you to do. Journal. Get it out. Because sometimes you want to speak to somebody and people just, they want to talk rather than listen. You need someone who's going to listen. So if you don't have someone who's going to listen, write it out, journal it. And the last bit I'm going to give you, because I have to jump off, the last bit I'm going to give you is I'll put the link for the breakup kit email series. Sign up for that. I'm not saying you're going to break up with him, but it's going to give you the support and it's going to give you something to do and it's going to get you back into your feminine. And I know that's hard right now because you want to be angry, not feminine. I get it. All right. So please sign up for the emails. They'll come you'll get them every day for a while, and then you'll get them weekly. But there's also a Facebook group, a private Facebook group attached to that. And this will distract you a little bit. It'll guide you a little bit in the interim. All right. And if go on the members page, you can always sign up for a coaching session, but I'm there for you. So that's why I'm doing this short little video. All right. Big hugs to you. Ciao.